What she say on Color Purple? I may be ugly, but I'm here. So how are we really applying our concealer, and what is a good way for us to apply our concealer? So how are we applying our concealer these days? Like, what are we really doing? How are we really laying it down to make sure like that thing is flawless, that thing is like baby no creasing? Like, how are we really applying, and what are some different ways to apply your concealer so it can look flawless? So I have a few ways that I want to show you guys how to correctly apply your concealer. You feel what I'm saying? So you can get that flawless finish. Baby, if you are just on my channel, it is your girl Stacey Vu. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup, and I want to do a quick video on different ways to apply your concealer. Okay, give y'all some tips and some tricks and things of that nature. All right, so we're going to be jumping right into it. So first, I feel like to get a really good application to your concealer, it's very, very important to moisturize your face with a good moisturizer. You feel what I'm saying? The one that I'm using is the e.l.f. Hello Hydration. This is my favorite. But you know, get you a good moisturizer, child, and definitely get under them eyes. You feel what I'm saying? Because it's very important to treat under your eyes. It's very sensitive under there. The skin is very, very, very light. So that's why, like, when you rub too hard or you do too much, you feel what I'm saying, you get dark circles because it's very sensitive under them eyes, child. Okay, so a lot of people do color correct. Me, I don't necessarily do a color correct, but I do another darker color on the eye. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump into my e.l.f. concealer really quick. So sometimes I go right under where the dark circle is, like right here, and I lay it like that. So when I lay it right over there, I take a really thin layer, and then I make sure I get real in the corner, and I lay that too. Now, a way that I've learned, and I'm just showing y'all on a darker, like just for your color correct, because I feel like you should not just put a whole bunch of color correct under your eye. You should definitely just put color correct or whatever you're putting before you put that light concealer on your eye. You should definitely just lay it in the area where it really is. You feel what I'm saying? And as you can see, around this area is where I have my dark circle. So that's all I'm really putting right there. I learned how to just tap it with a brush. Lift your eye up. Be very careful with making sure your eye is lifted. Look at that. Crazy, okay? The tapping motion under your eye, I'm learning that is where it's at. You see, okay? Stop playing. All right, so now we're going to do this again with the light. You can take any kind of concealer, it really don't matter, okay? But just make sure it's just something like this, nice little light concealer. Since I have this lighter concealer, I'm going to take my beauty blender, and this is another tip that I've learned also. So I'm going to take my beauty blender, and I'm going to stamp it on the concealer, and then I'm going to stamp some of it on my hand just to get it light. And then I'm going to place it under there. Bringing it around very lightly. Look at that. Touching the concealer lightly under the face. Just like that. And now we're going to take the rest of that and we're going to put it on the chin and on the nose. And this is a way that I kind of like doing my makeup too. Sometimes when you do your makeup like this, right? When you take a beauty blender, like right now I just touched into my foundation. It really does give you that flawless finish when you touch on it though. Like, what is that? That is flawless. Stop playing. We don't play with them. You know what I mean? I'm here. What she say on Color Purple? I may be ugly, but I'm here. That's what this is doing. You know, like when you tap it on your hand and then tap it, I am noticing that that does give a very flawless finish. You know what I mean? And just pat that all around. Like, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So now I'm going to bake. I'm just going to take a regular brush first before I really go into my baking. And I'm just going to touch under them lines. Now this is what I do. And then just look at, you can see I'm looking up and I'm baking. Oh, this kimchi is it though. I do a little bit of kimchi and a little bit of Laura Mercier mix. Just do my contour just to soften it up a bit, but yeah. Okay. Since we here, we just gonna give a little mocha, just a little bit. Cause the main thing was about concealer. You know, we was talking about the concealer. This wasn't nothing too much. This was just something about a little concealer. It's like, no, I'm tripping. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is finish the face. So yes, boo. I had to get dressed real quick because I definitely have a meeting or whatever. So I wanted to spray my face. That is the Juvia's Place, y'all already know. And then the L'Oreal Paris 3-second setting mist. This is like a fixing spray though, because it just keeps that makeup and don't let it go. Okay. Also, I know like my hair might look okay, but I'm really just putting on a head. Yeah, I'm going to make some runs or whatever, you know, so. And I got a couple of meetings, so yeah. I got my little bag here, giving denim chill. I might as well put my jacket on. Let me tell you, let me show y'all real quick what I'm wearing. It's only right to show y'all. I'm just wearing jeans under it, so y'all don't need to see the bottom, but this is the vibe. Giving very, it's cold outside. I'm gonna have to, yeah. My bag. So, yeah, that's how we doing it. Or whatever, we going outside. I had to put my jacket on. Throw my jacket on for y'all. But yeah, this is the vibe. But I love you guys so much. Hope you guys love the look. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, boo. Don't forget to keep God first either. I love you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Peace.
In New York with my partners, we be jamming, I mean. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that mean pull up. Car 10 and 5 and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas at, they get them bucks.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think it through some magic and oh no. Like you did it, yeah. Don't be trippin', I'll be there in a minute. You beat it, and I'll be there. Be there.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's stuck together.